During an event recording, my tripod fell, and unfortunately, its head broke. Since it was a new tripod and all other parts were in excellent working condition, I didn't want to throw it away. Instead, I decided to find a way to reuse it. I remembered that I had a Neewer ball head, so I decided to try fixing it. The top of my tripod is a tube-like structure with a 3/8" diameter. To secure a new mount, I drilled a hole in the tube and inserted a 3/8" bolt. And inserted a 3/8" bolt, tightening it with a support screw. Once the bolt was in place, I attached the Neewer ball head and secured it firmly with a screw. Now, the head fits strongly and stably on the tripod. I tested it with my 765 grams camera, and it holds up well. Thanks to the flexibility of the Neewer ball head, I can easily switch between horizontal and vertical angles, making it highly versatile. I hope this gives you some inspiration to repurpose and reuse broken or unused gear in a creative way. If you found this helpful, give a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more fixes like this, subscribe and support the channel. Thank you.